What will the future look like? More data, more power, electric power, data centers, AI, energy transition, energy security. They all rely on the cable. They rely on electricity. And what about the cable that carries it? Underground, underwater, connecting the world. There is huge investment underway to modernize these connections. From high-voltage cable systems to submarine interconnectors. Cables are critical infrastructure. Cables are what's next. But to do this, engineers are needed to master them, to design how, where, and when they are deployed, how to make them more efficient. They are some of the most sought-after professionals on Earth. And to find the next generation, Prysmian is teaming up with the University of Palermo to create the world's first ever Master in Cable Solutions. 12 months, 60 credits. Visiting professors from all over Europe. An internship inside Prysmian, the world's leader in cable solutions. To learn unique know-how from the best in the industry. The students of this master will be part of what's next.